All right, you guys. So today we're going on in the morning a morning walk. My friends, Erica, Austin, Lucy, Shakila, and myself, and we're on the morning walk in this awesome area. And there's a beach over there. And look at this. This is a canal over here. And this is my first time being here. And this one looks awesome. Very awesome. Look at this. Alright guys, so we're walking down the stairs and carefully. Look at that. There's people canoeing in the lake. Wow, it looks awesome. Very awesome. See that, Erica? It looks beautiful here. And there's people canoeing.
Hey, this is my favorite place to come here. So I've been here since 1978. This is 1978 again.
Wow. It is, Chef.
You said you've been walking here since 1978.
Yes.
Walking this exact same route?
Well, I used to ride my bicycles to hang out.
Look at this, you guys. There's a water around the neighborhood.
It's nostalgic.
Yeah.
And look at this, Erica. There's a water in our neighborhood.
Get that sand. Or don't grab it. Don't grab it. I meant like record it.
Record it? Oh, record it. Yeah, what was it?
I don't know.
What
What are you looking at, Robert?
Rogues.
And look, there's cactus. But don't touch the cactus.
Nope.
I see more people doing the boat canoeing. And it looks beautiful. Let me record the tomatoes.
I'm so inclined to pick some.
That looks like they look exactly the ones in the garden club.
They do. Like, these are so ready to pick.
Yeah. And there's the roses over there.
To pick, Erica?
What
Oh,
is that, Austin?
lime trees. Those are my favorite.
The tomatoes are ready to pick, and it looks like some of them.
There's a boat right here. Let me walk on here. Oh, there's a windmill.